everyone, this is Sunglass Rob from SportRx, and I'm here with my friend Todd Big Daddy Woods. He's a professional angler and Costa sponsored ambassador, and he's going to teach me. I've never done this before. He's going to teach me how to cast the Baitcaster. This is my first time.
All right. Well,
are you up for the challenge, sir?
I'm up for the challenge.
All right, this might be a long one.
I'm going to share something with you. This is a crankbait that we're going to use, and basically the key for a beginner to cast the Baitcaster. Now, when I cast, I use my thumb to control the bait and to control the distance and to keep from getting what we call a professional overrun, which is a big mess. You don't want to get those unless you have a lot of extra line. Okay. And you got to cut it out. So what I do, so when I push the button, see there's the button right there with my thumb, okay? And when you release the bait, you'll watch the spool spin.
Okay.
Okay, so see how the line kind of jumped up a little bit? If you don't use your thumb, you're gonna get, that mess is gonna be so bad you're gonna have to cut it out.
Well,
so we want to avoid that.
To slow it down.
Yes.
Okay.
However, we're gonna set it up so you don't even have to use your thumb.
Oh, I like that.
Okay, so what we want to do is we want to get that bait to not fall. So we're gonna adjust the tension with this spool right here, and we are gonna adjust it until it stops. Okay, so right now, and then for Rob's sake, I'm gonna give it another little bit, maybe an eighth of a turn.
Okay. Is that because of how strong I am?
Hopefully he will be able to cast it. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to put your thumb on it, hit the button like so.
Okay.
And then you just basically rear back, and then you time it so when you release it, you get the most distance out of it. And then you want to try and put your thumb on it right before it hits the water. Okay, you want to kind of time it that way. But I think I got you set up so you won't have to put your thumb on it. And I'm going to do it first without my thumb and see what happens. So just basically no thumb and everything stopped.
You made that look really easy.
And so
I'm kind of worried about the wrist motion here too.
Well, and it is all in the wrist. Kind of just flick the wrist out there, but it's one of those deals where if you practice it, you'll get it down.
Practice makes perfect.
All right, you want the bait to be about 6 to 8 inches off the spool.
All right. Now I hit this?
Yes, hit that button.
All right, I don't need to do this.
Nope.
And then just go back?
Yep, just real slow.
Oh, I messed something up there.
Well, you put your thumb on it, so you stopped it. See, there's no mess. You stopped it with your thumb.
And then just bring
it. But for the first cast ever, that's pretty good.
Not bad?
Not bad at all.
Did we catch anything?
Yeah, you caught a lure.
Should I do it again?
Do it again.
All right. Is it already, do I have to press the button again?
Push the button again,
All right, press the button. It's like awkward at the end there. It's like not smooth.
It's you just have to make it smooth. So basically,
what's the smooth tips from Big Daddy?
It's just kind of like, it's just really just a flick.
Okay.
You know, it's not. If you don't power it, you gotta put some finesse into it.
All right, I'm more of a force guy, generally speaking.
All right, try that. See what happens.
So far, I'm really happy I didn't break anything.
You can kind of feel the lure.
All right.
Okay, so that time you took your thumb off it, but you got to kind of put your thumb and let it go as the bait's exiting.
So unclick, thumb there, and then let go right when.
Yeah.
All right.
That's better.
Better?
Yeah.
Still haven't caught anything.
Well, we took the hooks off for safety reasons.
All right, well, that's how you cast the Baitcaster.
That's it.
Hopefully that was helpful. You guys came along with me the first time I've ever done that. Maybe we'll catch something later. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. We'd love for you to subscribe to the channel. If you need some sunglasses, check out Costa's at SportRx. Later.